The California State Library is working with public libraries to reach out to more volunteers and skilled volunteers through a project called Get Involved, powered by your library. In addition to providing cutting-edge training and technical support to libraries on this subject, we have a partnership with VolunteerMatch, the largest volunteering network on the internet. During this short tutorial, we will run through how the VolunteerMatch system works. First, let us show you how people might find VolunteerMatch. If you type volunteer into Google, VolunteerMatch.org is the first result, meaning people looking to volunteer will most often come to VolunteerMatch. VolunteerMatch has millions of visitors each year, and over 70,000 organizations use it as part of their volunteer recruitment strategy. Every hour, an average of 87 referrals occur, meaning that a volunteer connects with an opportunity from a local nonprofit. Now, let's review how VolunteerMatch works. How would you find a volunteer opportunity? First, let's do a basic location search by entering our location into the location box. This accounts for over 80% of the searches on VolunteerMatch.org. You will see a list of all of the opportunities within a 20-mile radius of your location. The most recently posted opportunities will be at the top. This is why the reposting tool is so important. We can also do a keyword search for a skill or an area of interest, which will pare down our results. We can also narrow our results through the advanced search tool. We can search by specific skills, keywords, specific organization name. We can also narrow our search by selecting specific interest areas. When a nonprofit posts a project, they can select up to 3 interest areas to tag their opportunity with. Now let's search for a library in our area. Let's take a look at exactly what we see in the search results. You will notice that there is only a small amount of information displayed in each of the search results. We really only have the title and the first few sentences of the description to grab the volunteer's attention. Let's click on this opportunity. Here we will see some basic information about the project. Posting a photo is a great way to get volunteers. Opportunities with photos get 3 times as many signups. Down below, we'll see a description of the project and any skills or requirements needed to complete this opportunity. We can also see some basic organization information, along with other opportunities that have been posted by this organization. If a volunteer is interested, they can click on I want to help, which will send the contact for this opportunity an email. The volunteer can also share this opportunity with their friends on Facebook, Twitter, or MySpace. Okay, now let's go over how this works for you as an administrator. Any organization can have a free account. However, some things you can't do on a free account, like post photos or repost your listing to the top of the search results. These features are part of VolunteerMatch's Community Leader subscription. This is what you have through the California Library's partnership with VolunteerMatch. Right now, all of these costs are covered by the California State Library. To access your account and post projects, click on Sign In. If you already know your login, enter your email and password. If you do not know your login, you can request a temporary password or email californialibraries_support@volunteermatch.org and we can get you set up as an administrator. You also have additional resources available to you through the partnership. I want to show you our resource page on the California State Library website where you can get more information. To visit, type in www.library.ca.gov/LDS/getinvolved.html. Here you can view archived webinars and other resources like sample volunteer position descriptions, policy manuals, and success stories from libraries for you to learn from and replicate. You also have access to a widget. Let's take a look at a widget on a local library's website. Here's how to use the widget. We're going to put our zip code into the widget and click on Go. It's going to take us directly to the Hub page. The goal of the Hub is to interest folks visiting the library's website in considering volunteerism at the library. But if you can't find something you want to do at the library, then we link you to other volunteer opportunities within a 20-mile radius of the zip code you typed in. Here on the Hub, we're going to see 3 boxes. The first column will only pull in opportunities that have been posted by California libraries. The second column is anything in that zip code marked as education and literacy. These are sorted by distance first. The third box will pull in any local volunteer projects by most recently posted. You can use this widget to drive volunteers to find your listings. To get a copy of the widget, send us an email. That concludes our basic overview of the VolunteerMatch California State Library Partnership. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us at californialibraries_support@volunteermatch.org or clehn@library.ca.gov. Thank you.